Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's the boy team back again. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can filter your traffic when you're running Facebook app. Now, some of us don't know that Facebook actually sends bot traffic. Now, it's no longer a doubt. Before, I used to be one of those guys that argue about it, but it is valid that Facebook actually sends some bot traffic to your site, especially when you're running link click ads on Facebook, right? But when you're running messenger ads, you stand higher chances of, in fact, you stand 100% chance of getting 100% human traffic. When you're running link clicks, landing pages and all of that, you tend to get bot traffic coming into your site. But then how do you actually navigate filtering it and making sure that you get 100% human traffic coming into your site? So that's the purpose of this video, and believe me, if you stick from the beginning to the very end of this video, you're gonna know how to do that. And when you do that, you get intentional traffic coming into your site. What do I mean by intentional traffic? You get people that are 100% interested in whatever you are offering. You're not some bot traffic coming into your site and then popping off in order to exhaust your balance. So I don't know if it's a glitch from Facebook or some scam they play in order to, deliver traffic to your site. But then you don't want to risk losing your AdSense, because when you have lots of bot traffic coming into your site, you stand a chance of losing your AdSense. So this video is going to be that video that will help you to filter out the traffic. And my last video, I promised to do this video, so that's why I'm here doing it. So please make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at TV. Let's go. I want to put 1K on Instagram, and let's do this. Okay guys, so this is my screen, and this is what a typical landing page looks like. Now, I know some of you guys might be familiar with all those complicated landing pages that involves you probably putting your email, doing all of those things. I mean, those ones are quite good, but the purpose of this landing page, or this kind of landing page, is to filter your traffic and to avoid bot traffic entering your site. And this allows only human beings to actually access your content. Now, what this looks like is, this is the first button, and this is the second one and third one. Now, you can actually edit all those ones, and you can add more buttons, and you can have only one button here. And the good part is that you can actually have one link distributed in all of these three. You can also have one here. All right, so how do you create something like this? Now, if you click on any of them, it takes you directly to my site. All right, it takes you directly to my site. And if I go down and click on the other one, it takes me to another post on my site. All right, so this is very, very simple. And if you look here, it said apply for free USA visa with work permits, get scholarship to study in Canada, study in USA for free. All right, so if you watched my last video, I showed this, and I told you guys I was going to create this, and the reason is to filter out traffic. Now, I said in the other video that you can put in pictures of ladies that are dressed, I won't say half naked, but exposing. All right, so you can put the pictures here, you can put the pictures all of here. So the reason for that is to actually increase CTR, which is click-through rate. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys how to create this. So I use a platform called Beacon. So Beacon is an AI company, or whatsoever they call themselves. So, but then we need their service, and it is for free. So if you look here, you realize that we have Beacon here. And the reason why we have it here is because this is the free version. So you're not paying anything to get this going. All right. Now, I'm going to just click on this first link. When you click on it, it takes you here, and you just click on sign up. All right. So it's very, very easy to register on Beacon, and it's for free. Okay. The paid version will only remove the logo. And now you need to put a username. Now I'm going to put a username. I'm just going to put something like TV. It's free, right? The name you put here doesn't really matter, but if you want to make it more matured, you just want to put something like let's say study abroad 2025. Okay, something like this is free. All right, so now the reason why you need to do it this way is because when someone is looking at the link, it actually depicts the essence of the arts, right? So you say study abroad, and you're running an art that talks about studying abroad. So this makes a lot of sense when people see it. Even though when you want to put your link on Facebook, you can decide to shorten it, which kind of eliminates this name. But if you want to use this bare name like this, you can just put something like this. All right, so now let's click on next. So I'm just going to head up with signing up with my Gmail. Okay, let's give it a moment. So select your Gmail. Of course, your Gmail should be logged in. So I'm just going to continue. All right, so this one, I'm just going to skip it. Okay, so I'm just going to skip this one. Okay, profile photo is not compulsory, but I'm just going to put a random picture. Picture I put here doesn't really matter at all. So I'm just going to select a random image and just put this. Accept. Okay, proceed. We are getting the page ready. Let's give it a moment. So I'm just going to refresh it. All right, so I will select dark background. I love dark background for no reason, but you can select the white one also, or anyone you want. All right, so you can select anyone here randomly because you're going to edit them later. Okay, so this is the paid version and it's saying the store pro is around how much? $30. Then the creator plan is $10. Business pro, $90. Like I said, you don't need the pro version to actually do this, right? So I'm just going to skip it. So after skipping it, we'll skip for now. Okay, this is actually to customize the domain name, right? That means any name you choose, you can actually customize it and it will be hosted on Beacon, but we don't need that. So we can just skip it. And this is our page, all right? So just give it a moment again. And this is your dashboard. All right. Okay, so now you can actually earn on this platform, but we're not going to talk about that. So we're just going to click on this link in bio. So if you click on it, it's going to show you this list. Now you want to turn off all these ones. Don't want them to see our header. I don't want them to see my email sign up. Now, email sign up actually helps you to build your email list. Now, that means you can collect email and then later send a broadcast to them. And that is more like traffic banking. And it also helps you to retarget your audience. That's people that have engaged with your landing page. Okay, so you can do that. But then if you just want to filter your traffic and have people on your site, you can just turn it off. So I will turn off this store. So this store is this thing that they have here. So just turn it off. Okay, so now turn off this email sign up. I usually turn it off because I don't collect email, but you can collect email if you have a way of sending broadcast to them using your email. So the only thing we have here is the link. So just click on the link and clean whatever they have here. So I'm just gonna clear and then clear and then clear. All right, so now everything is blank and in this way you need to start editing. Now, the next thing you want to do is to find an image that is actually talking about whatever you want to do here. So if it's about work, you can put work. If it's about, or if you want to use ladies to actually lure people, then you can do that. So I'm just going to select random images here. So I believe you guys actually got the gist of what I'm saying. All right, so I'm just going to select a random image here. So I'll just select this. Now, this is just to show you guys an example, not really what I will use to run ads if I were to do this. So this is an image I'm just using for example, not like I can use this to run ads. All right, so now the text, so you just want to put something like study abroad for free. Nigerians love free stuff. I don't want to say like, they love free stuff. right? So now I'm just gonna use a random link. I don't want to use my site, so I'll just use this link here. So now, of course, the link should be a post that talks about studying abroad. So you should have a post standby on your site that talks about studying abroad. So once you write something like that, then you come here and put it here. So it takes this form. So next thing is to add another link. All right, so now I'll just use the same link, but you can get another link of a post that talks about the same thing that you want to promote here. So I'll click on add, then the text, I'll put something like work in Canada for, let's say $15 per hour, right? So we add, okay, then you go to image and then upload an image. Okay, I'll use a random image, so I'll just use this one. Okay, so it takes this form. Now the next one, I just put something like migrate to Canada. Migrate. Let me make it bold so that it stand out. Migrate to Canada for free. Okay, so you can use something more interesting to actually do this. Okay, this is where I'm supposed to put my link, not this. So I'm just gonna get the link, copy the link, and put it here. So the text, you just put something like migrate, or you can just put like apply for free visa, right? Then upload an image. Okay, so I'm just going to select something like I'll just select this. Okay, so this is a typical example of how you can create your landing page. So you can go on and on and on and add more links, but I'll just leave it to these three. And now, how do you actually get your link? Click here to copy your link, and let's click here to preview what our landing page looks like. So this is a typical landing page. Now, if you look at this landing page, you realize that it's looking like the one I showed you guys at the beginning of this video. So it's as simple as this. It's just very, very easy to create. When someone clicks on your ads on Facebook, it brings them here, and when they get here, they have to make a decision to click on any of this. Now, a bot cannot do this. A bot can, but Facebook cannot. Facebook bots cannot do this. So once a Facebook bot comes here, they are left with no other option than to go back, right? So this helps you to filter it out. Now, it takes someone that is really interested in whatever you posted about to make a decision here and then click on one, right? So is either the person is interested in free visa or is interested in working abroad or studying abroad. So whichever one is interested in, he's going to click on it. And once he clicks on it, it takes him to your site. So this is a site I use as an example. It's not my site, right? So this is how you actually create a good landing page. And if you found value in this video, I would appreciate if you give us a like, okay? Give us a thumbs up. It helps to, get the video to more people. And follow me on Instagram, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any question. And with this, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.